Today is the second day of Cosmania, and to be honest with you guys, I really don't have any itinerary today. I just wanna try and film the things that I'll be doing. I have the wristband already placed on my arm. Pero mostly ang gagawin ko lang sa loob probably is magpa-picture lang stuff and then try to do some grocery shopping. And then tomorrow uwi na ako ng Bicol ulit. So yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Sige po. Right, so I mean, compared to yesterday, mas maraming tao ngayon. And hindi ako pumila as expected, like nakapasok lang ako with my wristband. And I know the reason why. I think all organizers learned from the experience with Conquest. So yeah, probably ang gagawin ko lang ngayon is magpa-picture lang with cosplayers that I like and then maghahanap ng pin na katulad nito na pwede kong iuwi as a remembrance for attending Cosmania. So let's go! I can't find yung specific type ng pin na hinahanap ko. I can't find it. I forgot the name of the store. Kahapon kasi may nagtanong sa akin na parang fellow con-goer din ko saan ko daw nabili tong pin na to. This pin right here. I don't remember the name and I can't find it here sa Cosmania. I was hoping na makita ko sila pero I can't find them. Okay. Probably hindi yata sila na kumuha ng stall for this Cosmania. Pero I'll try to keep looking, baka bulag lang ako, baka di ko pa nakikita. Yeah. I cannot find the store which I originally bought the pin, but I found the next best thing and it's gonna be Pokemon. I think I've decided na ito na yung kunin ko na remembrance ko for cosplay 2023 sa Genshin. So I'm gonna buy Rayquaza, my favorite Pokemon. So yun, we got the Rayquaza pin. I'm not really sure kung ano nang gagawin ko. At the moment, ang nangyayari ngayon is yung tinatawag nila na VTuber event. VTuber event. Kaya so far, I think sa isa pa lang naman ako magko-commit na VTuber kay Arya Synth pa lang naman from Vols. So we'll see. Pero probably ang gagawin ko naman magpa-picture lang sa mga cosplayer. Kasi wala na akong magawa eh. Kaya guys, nagpapapicture kami. Chainsaw Man.
1 hour later.
Kanina pa ako naglalakad, kanina pa ako nagpapapicture and trying to see what else I can do on the event. Pero sadly, there's nothing else for me to do. Except lang magpapicture yun. That's the only thing. And good pics naman, nakakuha naman akong good pics. May resibo na ako para sa trabaho. I have proof now that I actually attended the event. I'd like to talk some main points about the event. So, first off, from yesterday up until today, I haven't seen anyone cosplay Eren Yeager. So, that makes me the only Eren Yeager cosplay for the whole event. Like, I've been roaming long enough to know na ako lang talaga nag-iisang Eren Yeager from yesterday. It's just nice to know na ang simple lang nung cosplay ko. Pero ako lang yung nag-attempt gumawa. Second, the con itself, it's heavily dominated by Mihoyo game characters, like literally, both from Genshin Impact and Honkai Star Rail, like heavily dominated yung merch-wise. I was really hoping that I'd be spending a lot for this convention. Like on my previous attendances with Cosmania, ang expenses ko usually umaabot ng 3,000 to 5,000. But for this whole 2 days, I only spent like 900 pesos. I spent 2 useless gachas worth 200 pesos each, so that's 400. And then I bought one enamel pin, my Rayquaza right here. My Rayquaza worth 500 pesos. So far that's the only expense that I had for the whole event. To be real honest, The event is okay. I had a lot of fun doing my cosplay yesterday and roaming around, getting to find some cosplayers, seeing how the culture is after many years. But the feeling that I had up until today, it's not as happy as I was when I first started out. And I think it's because maybe just maybe, I'm starting to grow old. I think I'm outgrowing the cosplay conventions. Signs of aging, tingin ko. It's nice to be here, pero it's not as fun as it used to be. I don't know. Yung event, nung una akong pumunta ng cosplay niya, when I did the quest, I took home a lot of loot, like freebies and stuff, and won a lot of stuff. But the merch that I'll be bringing home today, parang wala na. It's weird. It's a weird feeling, to be honest. Hindi na ako magugulat, I guess, if next year hindi na ako mag-attend ng cosplay. I mean, it was fun while it lasted. The years that I had. I think malaki-laki na rin naman yung naiambag ko sa kultura in this past 5 years as a supporter, as someone who buys merch legitimately, as someone who has cosplayed, someone who watches anime. But don't get me wrong, I still love anime. Hindi mo walang pagmamahal ko with anime, with cosplaying. I don't think it's gonna go away. It's part of me. Pero I don't know, maybe it's time for me to graduate from attending these events. So I will not be surprised if next year hindi na ako nag-attend or the years to come hindi na ako nag-attend ng cosplay. ESGS, however, it's a different story. I still need to attend ESGS because that's the time where I usually meet my online friends, my streamer friends. And probably the only national event or convention that I'll be attending probably every year will be ESGS. So yeah, I'll see what else I can do, and then probably magpapagupit. I'll try to buy something from the grocery. Then we'll see if we'll call it a day. Yep. As I was trying to find a place kung saan ako pwede magpagupit, may ganito palang ganap sa MOA ngayon. Dito ako ngayon sa River Salon, dito sa MOA. First time ko pumunta dito. I'm gonna have my haircut kasi matagal ng request ng bebe ko na magpabawas daw ako ng buhok. So, I'm actually obliging. Hello po. Yung hinihiling na haircut nung girlfriend ko, kaya ako nandito. She wanted to like, parang bawasan lang yung hair ko. Pero ayoko siyang ipaputol na all the way na hindi na ako makakapag ponytail. I like having ponytails. Pero bawasan ko daw po.
Bawasan na lang natin. Lagyan na yung konting style. Gano'n.
Kayo pong bahala. Kayo po expert. Surprise me.
Yung style sir, maybe nakapabisa. Ano ito na, may style na ako ng konting nakaluya o maintain natin yung pagkabila.
Kayo sir bahala. Surprise me. Surprise me po. Parang ang goal lang ng pagupit is mabawasan daw yung buhok ko.
Pero napaponi pa rin.
Napaponytail pa rin po siya. Yes.
Tanggalin natin itong mga
So, this is your time to experiment kung mag-experiment man kayo.
meron talagang alaan dito.
Roger that.
About treatment sir, baka gusto yung pa-treatment din mo.
Haircut na lang po sir.
Ito po sir.
Ayun, mukhang decided na si sir kung anong gagawin niya. So, we'll see yung final product mamaya ng buhok natin. Alright guys, I'm done. Ito na bago kong buhok. Parang dami tao ah. Dami tao. Okay, update. So, naghahanap ako ng samgyupan na kakain ako pag-isa. But I'm currently here sa Seaside. So, ayun. Hanap lang ng place where I can eat samgyup on my own. And then, probably that would be. O ako lang may fireworks display pa mamaya, pero I am not sure. Baka meron. Tingnan natin. Dami tao. Sunday kasi. So, hindi muna ako nag-samgyup kasi I just realized na Sunday pa lang ngayon pala mangyayari yung fireworks display. So, nag-announce na sila na magsisimula na daw yung fireworks display. Kaya, ayan. Tatapusin ko muna yan bago ako kumain, guys. Happy New Year! Alright guys, so ayun, nagsasamgyup na ako mag-isa and this is the first time I'm doing this but I really need to learn how to eat on my own. So, yeah, I guess that's it for this whole vlog, for this adventure. A lot of realizations. There are a lot of realizations while I was here, and I'm not really sure if this would be my last Cosmania. Probably it would be, pero I'm not really sure. The next vlog would be probably ESGS. That's on November 3 to 5. So you'll be seeing me there. I'll be meeting some online friends there, probably, you know, the standard usual convention activities. So, yep. Good luck to me on this solo samgyup shit. Alright, bye guys.